glad that you tuned in today. We are getting ready to do Easter 2021, and here we are. We're going to go through and I'm going to show you real quickly how I prepared some little snacks for my family. See there, I've got it all mixed in there. Put that bit on there. On the sides, and I'm going to push those down because I want to get it pulsed down a little bit finer. Get to room temperature, and now I'm fixing to add a little bit of this garlic salt to it. And then the mixture that I just chopped up, I'm going to be adding that to this mixture. See there, we've got our mixture in there. Now I'm going to go get the cheese and we're going to pour it in and mix it all up. If you're having some problems mixing this with your spoon, just get a plastic bag, put it over your hands, and that way you can get in there really good. Okay, this is the tricky part. I've got it all mixed together now, and it's going to be shaping it. This one, guys, I don't have a mold to use. I don't know really what to tell you other than just play around with it. We're trying to make it look as closely to a carrot as possible, so just use some of your own creativity here. And I'm going to shape it out, and then the last step, I'm going to put it back. I'm going to take the almonds that I have right here. I'm going to pour these in a bowl, and then I'm going to get them, I'm going to stick this back in the bowl and get it to coat over it. So let's get this going. Okay, once I shaped it, I put the almonds around it and then sprinkled a little bit more cheese on it. Okay, in the beginning I said use the scallions. You can use those, but when I was cutting up some celery, I had these cute little celery leaves which looked even better, and it made it look more like a carrot. So we're going to use those, and then next we're going to put crackers around it, and there is our cheese ball. Got the cream cheese. I have it room temperature, 8-ounce thing of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of the powdered sugar, 2/3 cups of the ricotta cheese. I'm going to mix that all together. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, and then half a bag of those little mini chocolates, and we're going to stir this up. Okay, I've mixed it all together and I've scooped it out, and then again you're going to have to use a little bit of creativity here. And just scoop it out in the center and just try to make it rounded. And then I took a tablespoon and just scooped out, made certain, and then I took a tablespoon and I just scooped out 2 smaller ones, just making sure that they were the same amounts to make it look like little paws. And that's what I've got there. And now we're going to sprinkle some coconut over them. And I get this, it's starting to shape up and look more like a little bunny. Okay, coconut's on, and when you put the coconut on, it kind of helps it stay in place a little bit more and firms it up, so it can hold its shape a little bit better. And I'm telling y'all, oh my goodness, this stuff tastes so good. I had to edit out the part where I can't stop eating this stuff. It is so good. But no, we're going to continue on and we're going to finish this up, and we're going to take the marshmallow. It's the next step. We're going to take this marshmallow and we're going to cut it in half, and then I'm going to put it on here for a tail, and then we're going to add some pink M&Ms to the bottom here to make them look like little paws. And then I'm going to come back and show you the finished product, and we're going to serve it with mini vanilla wafers. So stay tuned. Okay, there she is. Oh, she turned out so well. This has got to be one of my favorite dishes now. One of my comfort foods now. I love cream cheese. Here is my veggie tray. I've got it all together. Took a cucumber and peeled it and then sliced it up and placed it in the form of a cross. Added some small tomatoes and then cut up some celery sticks and added some little small carrots to it. and made a cross because no gathering is complete without one of these, for Jesus is the reason for this season and he is risen. So of course I had to do one of those, and I'm going to make a quick dip to go with it to add to our little snacks. I had a little bit of this dip left over after making that cheese ball, so I'm going to take these little waffle cones and I'm going to stuff them in there, and then we're going to add some M&Ms on top of it.